Welcome to G's 2 cents 30 days of Techmas. Wait, how many days are in December? Welcome to every video of the day of December. Welcome to
the Elite XG 270
G's 2 cents 30 days of Techmas. Wait, how many days are in December? Welcome to every video of the day of December.
While still delivering gamers the features that they want most. Features like a 1 millisecond response time, IPS 165 Hz overclock display, black brushed aluminum stand with tilt and swivel. Features that they want.
Extreme overclocking as it gets nasty. Because you're absolutely right. No one ever said overclocking a graphics card like this is necessary. Not one time have I ever seen anyone say that. But going for land speed records in a car, or trying to kick a little white and black ball into a goal, that's not necessary. Oh, it'll flow air, trust me. Again, so we want to try and keep as much water out of here as we can. Part of the problem was I wasn't insulating the back of the card very well in my previous runs, like when I did the EVGA day thing. So it was freezing up back here, and then water was running, getting into the socket, and then freezing inside the socket. It's getting into the socket, and then freezing inside the socket. It's getting into the socket, and then freezing inside the socket. It's getting into the socket, and then freezing inside the socket. It's getting into the socket, and then freezing inside the socket. You're never gonna get the scores you want. The card is gonna be doomed from the start. You're never gonna. So this probe right here is connected to the bottom of the pot. This will tell me what the pot temperature is. So this is gonna be the same as the temperature in the room right now, which is just under 20 C. This is not the core temperature, that is the pot temperature. What's gonna happen is once the core goes below 42, minus 42 C, I won't know what the core temp is. I have to go off the pot. Then I'll know if we have bad thermal paste, because if you shock the thermal paste too much or make it too cold too fast or too cold period, then what ends up happening is you crack the thermal paste and you have a bad connection between the pot and the GPU, which then leads to overheating. Even though you'll see like minus 130 C on the pot, doesn't mean the GPU is getting there. It should be like minus 20 C or something like that, which is not enough to be stable. All right, I'm probably only going to get 1 or 2 runs in, which is fine. It's usually about all you get anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and pull down the pot temperature before I even get it booted. That way I can apply the voltage quickly and just go. First, I got to fill some thermoses. I use this bottle for good luck, because we want to drop the temperatures